Hey everyone, let's continue exploring the most unbelievable nature moments ever caught on camera. Next time you see a tsunami, run for it, right away. My friend's not kidding.
Oh my god, Dad, I forgot. Look at this.
We might want to stand back a little bit from the window, because these are getting pretty big. Oh, these are beyond. Oh my god.
A piece of my ceiling came out.
Oh my god. Raining trees.
It's like literally a hailstorm.
Are we okay? Is there anything above us?
I don't know.
After a hailstorm like this, how many intact leaves do you think those trees will have left?
I have never in my life seen anything like this.
During a storm, tall trees are the most dangerous to be near. They can be struck by lightning or fall over in strong winds. Stay alert and stay safe. How far do you think the cameraman was from that lightning strike? Is this driver really that skilled, or is it just luck? Stay away from glass windows during a hailstorm, everyone. A beautiful footage, but it's a bad omen for our planet. When you're on a ship, you always have to be prepared for situations like this. What can stand strong against the power of Mother Nature?
यहीं पे रुक जाना है नहीं वो आगे मत जाना यहीं पे रुक जाना है नहीं वो आगे मत जाना है अम्ब्रेला नहीं है ना वो बादल नहीं वो
We should turn around. We don't know what scarier things might be waiting ahead. Everyone there was evacuated earlier, and no one was injured, so don't worry. Always be cautious of big waves. They can knock things over or sweep everything away.
गई पहाड़ी है भी।
Mountain pass roads are areas with a high risk of landslides during heavy rain. Always be cautious when traveling through them. The aftermath of a flood impacts our lives in many ways. Let's work together to clean up. People here probably will never buy fish from the supermarket. Just chilling, and then, boom. This is real, not a movie.
Yo, mate.
The power of this is just insane. This is an active volcano, not Satan appearing.
Got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get wet. And look out, like, our street is starting to flood.
Even though it's missing a leg, look at how smoothly this crocodile moves through the mud. I know these are turtles, but I have no idea how they manage to survive like that. We should prepare before the rainy season or ahead of a predicted storm. It's a good idea to trim tree branches, as it can help reduce the risk of them breaking or falling. And now, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.